Welcome to ScholarAI, the next generation of intelligent reading. Your personalized dashboard provides a bird's-eye view of your academic progress, tracking everything from total books in your library to pages read and active study goals. The core of ScholarAI is your digital library. Easily upload your textbooks or research papers in PDF format. Our system indexes your documents instantly, preparing them for deep AI analysis. The integrated reader is designed for focus. Seamlessly navigate through chapters, while our Quick Notes feature allows you to capture key insights on the fly, tied directly to the page you're reading. Need to grasp complex concepts quickly? Use the AI Summary Engine. Simply select your page range and ScholarAI generates high-density overviews and key points, saving you hours of manual review. Test your knowledge with the automated AI quiz generator. ScholarAI analyzes your text to create custom assessments, providing instant feedback and detailed explanations for every answer organized with centralized note management. All your highlights and thoughts are stored chronologically, making exam preparation and citation easier than ever before. Finding information is effortless with our Search Inside feature. Beyond simple keyword matching, our AI provides smart, context-aware answers based on the entire content of your book. ScholarAI doesn't just help you read, it helps you succeed. Track your daily reading history, set ambitious study goals, and follow an AI-generated schedule to stay on top of your curriculum. Have a specific question while reading? Just ask. Our context-aware chatbot provides precise answers from the text, acting as your personal 24/7 academic tutor. ScholarAI. Transform the way you learn, research, and master your field. Smart studying starts here.